I thought it would be interesting to look at the back of a humbucker. Many of you have never potentially wired one, and this is good information. If you take a look at the back, they're labeled differently. There are some companies that you buy these pickups that have no information on them. Gibson, unfortunately, Gibson is one of them, and it doesn't tell you what kind of pickup. It's like they're trying to keep it a secret from you. So, if you take a look at this aftermarket all parts bridge, right here, HB, humbucker, and this B is B for bridge. If you hook up an N pickup or a neck pickup, then you might not get the desired sounds that you're after, which is a little more kick out of your bridge pickup. The other thing I want to make note of in this short little video is that in a 5-wire pickup, there is a grounding braid here. It's rather, in this case, it's rather stiff. It's a silver color. This is your ground. It's shorted to the ground of this plate sitting here. And the red and black, if you watched the prior video, the red and black need to be twisted together like what you see, and we will ultimately be putting a bead of solder over the top of this and a little bit of heat shrink tubing to make this thing permanent. And essentially, once we do that, that wire does not exist anymore. We have terminated it, and we've hooked the two pickup coils that are inside this package in series. We're left with a black hot wire and a green hot wire to go to the pickup locations. Now, we will, before we wire this down on the inside of the guitar, we will ultimately make the green wire a ground, and they will come together like this, and you will have very much like a humbucker, 2 wires. One that I'm holding in my hand, which is our ground. So 2 wires make the ground, and the second wire is going to be the black, which is going to be the hot terminal bringing the signal. Okay? So I just thought that would help you if we looked at that a little early.